Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2018 Infiniti Q60. This was just recently retired out of our loaner service fleet. The way that works is that we'll plug a new car from our inventory and we'll put it in the loaner car service. So we provide free loaner cars to our customers that have vehicles in for extended repairs or for service. Generally, Infiniti only promises loaner cars, complimentary loaner cars to new Infiniti customers and certified pre-owned customers. But Infiniti of Tacoma, we actually have a good, sizable fleet, so we pretty much offer it to all our customers. After about a year, we retire them out of service loaner life, and then they become available for sale as a certified pre-owned Infiniti. This one only has 6,441 miles on it. Still in nearly new condition, and very nicely equipped with features. Beautiful color combination in black on black. The Q60 features a drive mode selector. This makes changes to the transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction and stability control settings for different driving situations like snow. You want to drive more economically, or you want to put it in sport mode. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You have heated seats, heated steering wheel. Lots of cool features. The top screen is for the parking camera and a navigation system. We need to get an SD card. I don't know why this one is missing, but maybe we have to borrow it for another vehicle or something. But we'll get one put in right away. Unfortunately, I can't show you the nav screen, but we've all seen nav screens. I don't think it's really something that you'll be in a loss for not seeing in this video. Automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. And as I mentioned before, 6,441 miles, very low miles. Bose Performance Series audio system. For you music lovers, you'll definitely appreciate that. There's two different versions of the Q60. Maybe I should say three versions. You have the LUXE, you have the Sport and the Red Sport. This one is a LUXE with a 3.0 turbocharged engine. This is more towards the luxury end of it, where the Sport has a sport tuned suspension, sport bolstering the seats, larger brakes. So obviously this is still a very fun car to drive, but it has a little bit more of a suspension and chassis setup for comfort versus the Sport model, which has more low profile wheels and a stiffer sport suspension. Really beautiful automobile. This one also features intelligent all-wheel drive. Great for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. And if you do drive in the snow, you're going to do a lot better in the snow with all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. And the reason why they call it intelligent all-wheel drive is when all-wheel drive is not needed, perhaps in conditions like this, it's going to send 100% of the power to the rear wheels. Why does Infiniti do that? Well, if the all-wheel drive system's constantly working, it's going to chew through your tires faster. That's going to reduce gas mileage because it's just creating more drag on the vehicle by having the power of those four wheels all the time. And by having 100% rear-wheel drive, it gives it the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. It is a performance vehicle. But this car has a brain that's constantly monitoring driving conditions, and the all-wheel drive is actually activated by an electromagnetic differential by sending electrical current to that differential that activates the all-wheel drive system. So by being activated by electricity travels very fast, so the all-wheel drive system can activate very quickly. It actually can, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. It also can split the power from left to right. So it really does great in our wet, slippery weather, and it really enhances your wet weather performance. Obviously, it's beautiful now, but we know that the roads can be pretty wet and slippery for a good part of our lives here in the Pacific Northwest. And with 300 horsepower, that all-wheel drive system will really enhance your performance in wet, slippery conditions, where a rear-wheel drive version will just have to have the traction control system cut in a little bit sooner, just because since the traction is low of wet roads, the wheels are just going to get overwhelmed by all that power a lot quicker. This Q60 features a direct injection V6, makes 300 horsepower. This is a newer engine, that INFINITI has developed. We first saw it in the 2016 Q60 and the 2016 Q50 and the 2017 Q60. It features direct injection. The latest in gasoline engine technology. Direct injection works by sending highly pressurized gas directly into the combustion chamber. Generally that gives you more horsepower, lower emissions, and better fuel economy. LED headlights provide outstanding nighttime visibility. The Q60 really is a beautiful design. They get looks and compliments wherever you go. In fact, I was just taking pictures of it, and a painting contractor who was working across the street just came over, and he just had to start asking me about this. He just thought it was so beautiful. So if you happen to be the owner of this Q60 or one like it, you might find a lot of people asking you about it and telling you how beautiful the car is. And you know, when you buy something like this, it's always nice to have compliments and people asking a little bit. Maybe if you don't like things like that, this might not be the car for you. And being certified pre-owned, this comes with all the benefits you'd normally get with a brand new INFINITI, including a 6-year, 75,000 mile certified pre-owned warranty, which covers a lot of components. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.